Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to make one single name on Facebook 2024 in iPhone, Android or iOS. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Having one single name on Facebook typically refers to the practice of using just one name, either your first name or last name, instead of the usual two-name format, first and last. Facebook standard policy requires users to provide both a first name and last name. So, to make just one single name on Facebook, what you need to do first, on your Android device, open the Play Store app. Once you have opened the Play Store app, type BBVPN in the search bar and select the app. This VPN has a 4.3 star rating. Next, install the BBVPN app. Once the installation is complete, what you need to do next is open the app. When you first open BBVPN, you might see an intro or ad. Cancel or close the screen. Next, choose Switch VPN server location. Select the Indonesian server. This is necessary because the option to use only one name on Facebook is limited to certain countries. Under Indonesia, select one of Jakarta server options. Click Start to initiate the VPN connection. Confirm the connection request by clicking OK. Once the VPN is connected, open your Facebook app. Tap on the three-dash menu, hamburger menu at the top right corner of your Facebook homepage. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Under Settings, select See More in Account Center. In the Account Center, select Profiles. Then choose your Facebook profile. Tap on Name, edit the first name to your preferred choice and remove the last name. After removing the last name, tap the spacebar once to insert a space. Then select Review Change. Once you are satisfied, save the changes. Go back to your homepage, refresh the page and click on your profile icon. You should now see that your Facebook account only has one name. If this method doesn't work, consider checking out other tutorials or trying a different VPN. And that's pretty much all about how you can make one single name on Facebook.